Yes, people, welcome back to our channel at Beyond the Plate. Yes, people, so today we are going to cook some chicken, fricassee chicken, fry and cook down. So see the people, me have my chicken prepared, well washed, well presentable. I'm going to go down in it with some seasoning. So I'm going to show them my seasoning them, but I already prepare for season up my meat. I have some onion, scallion, thyme, carrot, tomato, ginger cut up, piece of hot pepper. There I have my blended season. And I have my coconut chash. I'm going to tell you now what I'm going to do with that. See, then I have my natural coconut milk what I'm going to use and cook my peas, my rice and peas. So over here, so I have my peas well soaked from last night with my garlic in it. I did add a little salt in that. So when I go cook my peas, I don't need to add no salt because I already add it. You understand? So I'm going to show you the steps how I'm going to season up my meat. Okay guys, stay tuned. Alright people, welcome back. So now I'm going to season up my chicken. I'm going to show you how I'm going to deal with it. First, I'm going to tip a little bit of Maggi all purpose. Some Maggi chicken season. A little toops of black pepper. And a little toops of salt. And then now, I'm going to add some of my blended season. Right people, you know as you go along, cleanliness is godliness and well washed already. So, I'm going to dig in, season up my meat and let this marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes to half hour. You understand people? So we deal with it in the kitchen. See me? Yeah. And this now, I'm going to add the onion, scallion, thyme, some ginger and pepper. Rub them in. I understand people. Right people, it's good to go. I'm gonna left this now. Make it go and marinate. So as we go along, carry through the steps. That's how we deal with it in the kitchen, alright? Stay tuned. Yes people, welcome back again. Meat there, marinate. So see it there after I finish season up. As I say, fricassee me I do. So I go fry and cook down. You understand? So have my peas now. I boil. Just with a little bit of water when I have it soaking. So I'm going to add my coconut trash to this. Make it cook with that. See me? And then now I'm going to add my original plain coconut juice. See me? Make that boil with that now. For about 30 minutes max. You understand? Yeah, people. I better go in the kitchen today. So natural coconut milk. I boil with my peas. So you know, just like old times, I will get the real shelly, nice coconut taste, rice and peas. You understand people? So stay tuned as we go. Alright people, welcome back. So I will check for my peas now. So see that? Peas halfway cooked. So I'm going to add the scallion. I'm going to add my scallion. Don't add my scallion. Thyme in that, pepper, and a little bit of pimento seed in that. Make him go on. Let the peas finish cook with this. Understand? The peas finish cook with this. Understand? I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of black pepper. And a little bit of Maggi all purpose. Understand? And just let that. Let it finish cook with the peas. You understand? So by the time this finish, the peas finish cook, then you know me have my rice wash ready for put in. Over here so now, the oil hot. My chicken, so I go flavor up my oil now. Put piece of scallion in there. That time, some garlic, piece of garlic. You understand? Over here so, I have my chicken then well seasoned, well marinated to start cooking. So stay tuned people as we proceed. And please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. You understand? So stay tuned. Soon be back. Alright people, welcome back. So now that me rice ready to add my rice here now people. Add my rice. Add my rice to my rice and peas. You understand? Add my rice and peas. Over here so, I have my chicken them a fry. You understand? Them when they ready catch them golden color. You understand? Chicken rice and stir. Then I go just slow this, make it steam. You understand? You must stir and just make it steam. You understand? So stay tuned peeps. And remember if you do the do, comment, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a friend. You understand? So just stay tuned. Soon be back. Alright people, so welcome back. Just come in now, check for my rice and peas. You understand? So you see that? Well shelly. You understand? Well shelly. So we deal with it in my kitchen. See it? I will carry from the bottom upper top or the lower side upper top. You understand? And just left it, make him steam out like a more. You understand? And see over here so the sauce go on simmer down. Soon add my chicken them and thing in this, as I say so. Thank you people for watching, and just please remember to subscribe, share, comment, like. Thank you all to all my viewers, all my supporters. So just stay tuned. Presentation, share and presentation coming up. Over, out. See you soon. Alright people, see it there. Finished product. Fricassee chicken, fry, cook down with the bad rice and peas, some lettuce, some cucumber, some tomato. I understand. So just stay tuned for the next video. Alright people, just do the do. See you in our next video. Over and out.